This is the beautiful amethyst sphere pyramid. So there's a beautiful amethyst sphere inside the orgone pyramid, and amethyst actually symbolizes peace and spirit, which helps you focus. You can enjoy your meditation and spiritual balance well, and it's also a positive energy generator. So this is made with an amethyst sphere, obsidian, gold foil, copper, and resin. Just put this orgonite pyramid next to you, and the orgone generator can provide energy to your body by healing stones and a crystal quartz. This is a Tree of Life orgone pyramid. So the Tree of Life actually symbolizes the connection between heaven and earth, as well as life and energy. With this orgonite pyramid, you'll feel positive energy and can enjoy meditation and spiritual balance. These orgone pyramids are made from crystal stones, copper wire, copper, and resin. So the crystal stone actually carries high energy and is known as a protection stone. It can help eliminate negative energy and help purify your mind. Just put this orgonite pyramid near you, and the orgone generator can offer energy to your body by healing stones. Orgonite pyramids are widely used for Reiki healings, meditation, yoga trainings, and even Feng Shui healing. VUDECO offers excellent crystal pyramids for positive energy that bring you ancient wisdom of protection for your chakras. Chakra pyramid attracts chi energy, which not only enhances love relationships, emotion, and spirit, but also promotes calm, balance, and peace at your place. These quartz pyramids are an excellent gift for family and friends for boosting their energy.